Dearly beloved, we are gathered here today to say farewell to a beloved adventure companion, the infamous hat. It has been through many adventures, including deserts and forests and even a cave 700 feet below the surface, and it has suffered some water damage, as far as some shrinkage and just overall misshapenness. And it is at this point that I believe it is time to say goodbye. I shall miss this hat, because this hat was a spur-of-the-moment purchase from Target, not thinking anything of it, but it then became a symbol of the Livin' the Adventure channel. And it's a hat that cannot be replaced. I have tried to look for hats that are as similar to this as I could find, and I just can't find anything. I did get a new hat that's a slightly different color that looks kind of what this hat looked like before it got into disarray. But it doesn't quite fit the way that this hat did, but it's something. But this will always be the OG. And, you know, some people may ask, why don't you just keep it for sentimental purposes? And the thing is that there's certain things where I feel like that's worth keeping, and there's other things where I feel like it's not. Especially because this kind of takes up a lot of space, unless I squish it up, and at that point, what's the point of having a squished up hat in some memorabilia pile of mine? And I mean, it really is past its prime. You can see all the blotches from sun exposure and all of that. It used to be that color. That was the original color, like this navy blue, and it's this really nice, comfy felt material, and that's what sun damage, water damage, and all that other stuff did to this. Needless to say, I didn't necessarily take the best care of it, so that is, on me. But it lasted for a while. I have to give this hat credit, because I've had it for a few years. And after everything it's been through, the fact that it lasted that long is actually pretty impressive for, what's supposed to be just like a style hat you buy from Target. So now, it's time to say goodbye. You shall be dearly missed.